नमस्कारम नमस्कार नमस्कार बोलो। हाँ देखिए, मैं बोला ना नमस्कार बोलेगा। ठीक है, नमस्कार नमस्कार। कैसे ये?
Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook.
Hello guys, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. Right now I am almost 50 kilometers away from Kodaikanal. You can see there on the board it says 46 kilometers. I am somewhere in Dindigul district and there you can see there is a checkpost out there. They didn't check me, I was on the bike, they were catching some liquor and all that stuff. So right now I am going towards Kodaikanal. The road from Dindigul to this place was really beautiful. This is the road from Dindigul to Theni and I had taken a right from there on the highway. This is on NH 83. I took a right and I am going towards Kodaikanal. That's the road that takes me to Kodaikanal. It's really beautiful. So let's go up. That should be a guard section up there. So let's go up and see how the road is, and it should be really beautiful. And I'm all excited on my trip to Kodaikanal. So let's get onto the bike and see how the view is. There is a board, Kodaikanal, 46 kilometers. I'm all excited going towards the hill. That's the road. Actually, it was raining yesterday and day before yesterday, but today there is no rain, luckily. The road from Dindigul till here is also really amazing. Okay, let's go. So on the way from Dindigul to Theni, there was this beautiful lake. It was really amazing and very beautiful. I just stopped there, I clicked some photos and pictures. It was really nice. So we are going up the Ghat section right now. Can see here there is board here, please do not litter. Yes, please do take care when you come to such places. It is plastic free zones and don't litter. Not only plastic, any other waste. If you bring your food or something, you pack something and bring it, please do keep the cover after you use those. You keep it with you, and then when you find a dustbin, just put it there. Wow, look at that view there. It's really amazing. It should be really beautiful as I go higher. View is really amazing here. There's a Tamil Nadu transportation. It's a government bus. I don't know from where it comes. It's going towards Kodaikanal. So the view is really crazy. Need to overtake this bus so that I get a good view of the places. But I need to do it with care. Look at that view. Amazing. That was a close one. So as I come here, there is this Manyalayar Dam view. It's really beautiful. The view from here is stunning and it's crazy. I have reached Pulatur Pirivi, Pulatur Pirivi, and going straight it goes to Kodaikanal, Tannikkudu, Pulatur. I need to go up on the right. So there's a kind of checkpost here, Pulatur Pirivu. I spelled it out wrong earlier. It's Pulatur Pirivu. And as I have reached on top, the weather has changed. It's cold up here. It was hot down there and I was sweating. And as I've reached on top here, I feel cold. The weather has changed and it's chill here. Hopefully it doesn't rain and there is some mist and fog and all that I'll be able to enjoy during my stay here in Kodaikanal. There is a small water stream here. I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up. It was really looking beautiful. I just turned the curve there and it was really nice. So I've reached on top. The Ghat road is over, I believe. We have some villages and houses and all that here. We have some agriculture. Earlier on the Ghat section I didn't find anything. It was just like the, what do you call, the forest area. There were some tea plantations and some other trees, but nothing else. As I was coming higher, I just saw this place, Perumal Malai, and this is the view from here. This is the kind of view that we get from here. It's really fantastic. And there is my Eclipse taking me all around. Yes, this is the place, Perumal Malai. I think Kodaikanal is another 16 kilometers from here, so it should take another half an hour for me to reach there. Look at this view, amazing, crazy. So almost reaching Kodaikanal. Look at that view. The stays up there would be really amazing. There's slight amount of fog and mist, but not too much of it. And this time, for a change, normally when I go solo, I never book the rooms. I just go there, search for something and stay. But this time I was looking for a property to stay in Kodaikanal, and that's when I found this hostel Kodaikanal. It was really beautiful. I checked the reviews and all that. It was really nice, so I booked it up front. So that's my destination. So I will be going up there to the hostel, unpack myself, and then maybe if I have the energy left today, I will go out and roam somewhere on the local, because I just started off from Bangalore early morning 6:30. Now the time is like 1:30. I've been on my bike for like 7 hours now. Yeah, 7 hours with short breaks for breakfast and all that, then to enjoy the scenic beauty. You have these shops also in these sides. Beautiful they are, the vegetables, fruits and all those. The view up there is really beautiful. Those mountains are amazing. As I was coming here, I just saw this place here, and they were catching this thing. They were shooting something, and that's when I saw this. It's a wild squirrel here. It looks beautiful. Let me try to capture it. There it is. There he is up there.
हाँ जी, सबको ये पसंद है नहीं?
There it is.
देखिए, मैं बोला ना नमस्कार बोलेगा. नमस्कार, नमस्कार. नमस्कार, नमस्कार बोलो. नमस्कार. नमस्कार, नमस्कार. 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 उसके साथ रहना. नमस्कार.
I just went there and I saw it was a wild squirrel. It was really beautiful. I just got some photos and videos of it. And this place is also beautiful. There's a small stream here. There's a warning from the forest department: no parking, no drinking, no smoking and all that. So I leave from here. So this is the place, and there is Eclipse. So let me go towards Kodaikanal. There's a kind of check post here. I think need to take a ticket or something like that for the bikes. Anna, bike here ka? I just asked them if bikes have the toll. no toll for the bike, so I just left. Wow, look at that, man, crazy view. Look at that view there. It's there was a name written on the board, but I don't know. That's the falls there. So let me stop somewhere here and go get a good view of it. There are a lot of shops also here, small shops. There are a lot of tourists also. It's a good place, man, really beautiful. So finally almost on top. There you can see a lot of houses just on top of the hill. It looks really beautiful and cute, and there is an amazing view out there. So almost on top here. The map says it's another 3.4 kilometers is hostel. I believe this is Kodaikanal town. Cute houses on top of the hills, not those big bungalows and all that stuff. Those cute houses which look really amazing. There is the view. Oh my god. Also we have houses on top of those hills also. There's a right here. I have to take that right. Map Google Mataji tells me go right. So I'll go on this right. Maybe it's somewhere up there on that hill. There are pretty. There's a Zion International School. There is a pretty decent amount of tourists here. It's not that it's deserted because of Corona. Look at that view, amazing. Look at that, man, crazy. I love these scenes. Let me look forward and drive, otherwise I will be somewhere in the ditch. I think I finally arrived at this hostel. Yeah, this is the one. Mataji had taken me on a wrong route. She just showed some other way. I had gone all around and just came back. I reset and I just was able to find the hostel. Yes, this is the entrance. It looks really nice and should be really beautiful. It's an old cottage. So I checked into this hostel here. This is the common area. It's really beautiful. This is the common area here. It's not a place for anyone to stay. We have other dormitories there, and this is the dormitory that I have chosen. It's a 6-bed dormitory, and this is my bed here. So catch up with you guys with yet another exciting video, and I'll be traveling around Kodaikanal. I believe most of the public places are closed, but wherever possible I'll be able to go, and I will be able to bring it to you guys as soon as possible.